So, on Wednesday, the U.S. Treasury Department announced sanctions against Brazilian Supreme Court Justice Alexandre de Moraes. The sanctions, accuse him of suppressing freedom of expression and overseeing the trial of former President Jair Bolsonaro. De Moraes is handling the criminal case against Bolsonaro, who's accused of trying to stay in power after losing the 2022 election to President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva. U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said de Moraes is responsible for censorship, arbitrary detentions that violate human rights, and politically motivated prosecutions, including those against Bolsonaro. So, the sanctions here are actually based on the Global Magnitsky Human Rights Accountability Act, which, is designed to target human rights abusers and corrupt officials. And yeah, that means any assets de Moraes has in the United States are now frozen. Brazil's Supreme Court and Presidential Palace have not yet commented. This announcement follows the U.S. State Department's July 18th visa restrictions on Brazilian judicial officials, including de Moraes. It also comes after President Donald Trump announced a 50% tariff on Brazilian imports effective Friday. Trump linked the tariff to what he called the witch hunt trial of Bolsonaro in Brazil. Shortly after, Bolsonaro was ordered to wear an ankle monitor as he was considered a flight risk. Eduardo Bolsonaro, the former president's son, praised the Treasury's decision on X, calling it a historic milestone and a warning that abuses of power now have global consequences. Eduardo moved to the U.S. in March and is under investigation for allegedly working with U.S. authorities to impose sanctions on Brazilian officials.